it here. Check out this clip that I forgot to add in our last video. It's hilarious.
So this one isn't even slide it.
Oh! Are you good?
Fucking wheel well. I forgot.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Hey. Kill myself.
Should I use a big one then?
Sure.
That's higher than it looks.
They don't perfectly fit, so the last one kind of stripped it.
Damn it.
That sounds like it's tightened. I wish there was a screw in here, so I'm still not. Not at a right good angle. If there was a screw hole in these that this would screw into, you know, but all it's gonna do is like.
So
yeah, I need to truck more this way.
Is it gonna work or not?
I don't really know. Straight. Sup?
Oh. There it kind of goes.
Oh, look at Tarp.
That's pretty neat, right? Shit, almost like the other way is easier.
Yeah.
Why is it not coming off now? That's still loaded.
We just need to hit it off or what?
Ow, 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 ow.
You good?
That was stupid.
What you do?
Nothing.
Oh, so it's intended to like grab it, not be inside it.
Yeah.
That's what you're saying, right?
Exactly.
Oh yeah, that's not gonna work.
All right, let's just fucking do it the other way.
Just gonna send it.
You want to? Yeah, you want to hold?
Yeah.
So if you guys
Oh wait.
know what we're doing wrong, let me know, because it's got a little screw set in here to tighten it right here, and then you should be able to just turn it, but it's not holding enough. There's not enough grip. Let me know what we're doing wrong. This actually came with the International, the big one with the Pioneer tarp, and we weren't able to use it on there because it had a bunch of plates on the outside that we were unable to take off, and I wasn't about to take all this stuff off. There's no, like I said, this little screw set right here. Let me show you. This little screw set right here, you can tighten, right? But it's not enough to go to grab it. So, and there's no hole that this would go into to make it stronger. So if you can see right here, you can't see it, but it's stripped from that screw. And I don't know what we're doing, but we'll just do it by hand. We got time for it. We also have a busted hydraulic leak on the tarp, so we gotta get that taken care of now.
I don't know if y'all can see that, but that looks on that. Oh! Oh!
It's spit
Gushing.
out?
Yeah, it's gushing.
Huh?
It's gushing.
I can't pull it back in.
You think if I can? No.
Oh, you know what I can do? I can make it longer.
Smart.
God dang it. Damn it.
Can't drive it like that, huh?
Huh?
Can't drive it like that.
It's too much tension. Shit. Alright, let's go. Keep going. Put all that stuff away and meet me over there. I'm gonna go now.
Okay. Alright guys, so we are having a leakage issue with our Tarp system, so Josh just took off to the mechanic and I'm following behind him. Let's roll out. Broken AF.
Let's roll, David.
All right, we're gonna go pick up the Kenworth that just got done.
Yep. You know DV?
So I'm gonna pick it up real quick and bring it back to the shop because we need it ready for the show.
Picking up the K-Dub. We'll see if this shit works. See how good they are. Where the hose goes, but it's curving right at the end of that thing, so yeah, you can tell that one's already fucking trying to rip too a little bit.
I'll turn that one down.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks like though eventually it might do the same thing.
Sounds way nicer.
Yeah. Oh, you can. Now you watch out once again. Yeah, see how it goes out? It was curved just like that. So right at that thing, how it's like at a 90-degree angle, it's cutting into it. But I told David to check it, and I ran it plenty of times, and he said it wasn't leaking, but eventually it looks like it might do the same shit as that. They did
Manufacturer defect right there.
Yeah, hell yeah. Cause they should have it 90-degree angle.
Protected. A little more protected. This is a new one.
Yeah, that's the new one, yeah. They had to take it to the hose shop. Yeah, they had to take it to the hose shop and put the special fittings and everything on it. Which it looks more heavy duty than the shit. Well, not the same. But yeah, I saw that and I was like, oh, that thing has out there. They tried to straighten it so it wouldn't be at such an angle. Puddles right here.
Did you check our levels and make sure all our hydraulic levels is good?
Yeah. He said that was hella low.
Oh yeah, it's spit out of it.
Yeah, that's what I said straight out. But yeah, I didn't know that was its own tank for this.
We're done. I'm not done. I got more work to do. What the hell? Look at this big old spreadsheet now. Holy moly. Anyways, I got more shit to do. I gotta tell you guys, I have not been more. I don't know. Every year, it's a very stressful thing to go through when I'm throwing the show. You guys check out the new trailer. Did you give him a little tour of the trailer? Oh, little baby trailer. Don't judge. It's cute stuff. It's hard to show.
Hello? What's that?
This takes a lot of time. I mean, look at you guys. Check this. This is a stage. I mean, it's not the stage. It's the layout. All the vendors, starting with docket and boxing. Oh man, my fingers are dirty.
No.
Oh well, it's gonna be dirty anyways. Starting with docket, box game right next to the stage. These are all the vendors over here, all in the middle. Boom, boom, boom. Let's not show too much because you know we can't reveal all of our secrets. It's a lot of stuff, but I'm excited. 3 days to the show. By the time y'all watch this, it's definitely gonna be over. But hopefully for next year, if you didn't come this year, you realize that we are not just doing a show. We are starting a movement. We are starting one heck of a movement between collaborating and networking with each other, and really putting the hurt on the big boys and letting them know we're coming strong. We're no longer gonna be side hustlers and just doing stuff on the side. If you got this crap, this BS city franchise agreements, exclusive franchise agreements, all this crap, we don't care. We're coming in hot, and we're coming in organized, we're coming in educated, and we're coming in working together, because together we're way stronger than we are individually. Give myself goosebumps. Okay. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. We out.